How's it going? Welcome to the video. Today we'll be talking about residual income and how you can really make some money online, but some money online that's really going to possibly change your life. Before we get into the video, no income is guaranteed. There's no guarantee that you're going to make any money in any of these programs, and I always make sure I touch on that. But if you're someone that's committed to something like making money online and changing your life, there's no reason why you won't make any money online. So listen. This program is very powerful for a few reasons. The price point's not too bad. The training's not too advanced. And it's residual. So it's a monthly subscription. And people always say monthly, they run for monthly, but what you got to realize is you can get in a company that's paying you one time, but guess what happens when you get paid one time? And that's the family or the community. It's all one-time payments. One, you're not going to get the support you need because after people make money off of you, they're going to run. But two, you're going to have to keep offering memberships, keep offering memberships. And all that hard work is not going to accumulate. It's just once those payments are made and you spend that money, it's gone. When you have something that's a monthly subscription, even if you create it yourself, you're going to earn every month. So you're going to compound that money. So digital products, straightforward. We're working on two membership levels, the daily 25 and the daily 100. Why are they called that? Because that's exactly what these programs cost. The first one is $25 a month and the second one is $100, which combines it for $125 a month overhead. What's so great about this program is 100% commission. So at these both levels, guess how much you're going to make if people join both of these levels as well? 125. Can we admit 125 is a nice commission point, especially on the residual side, to build some great residuals. So what we're going to do is touch on the training. Like most people, you might catch reviews. They always say, the training's basic. The training's basic. And I've been around the block with so many different courses, so many different programs. I have access to some of the top training in the world, and I kept trying to figure out, I need something. I need something for a good price, but I need some advanced training. But what I realize is people aren't advanced. A lot of people that's gonna join these programs such as Daily Digital Club, which is the name of this program, they know nothing. So if I start talking about funnels, ads, pixels, SEO, keyword research, they're not even going to get started in the business, even if they're in the business, if that makes sense. They're not even going to plug in. They're going to be so overwhelmed. So it's cool. I'm starting to realize and understand it's cool to have some basic programs to start or have in your portfolio because you get to come in. Let me make sure I click the 25. You get to come in and start from the basic stuff. I've learned this stuff over the years. People say you can get this stuff on YouTube. You can't, because no one's wasting their time on YouTube giving away anything for free. I don't care if it's stuff that they should give away for free. It's always something attached to it. This is straight to the point. It's basic, but look, a lot of the things I just mentioned, you're going to get to see them from a basic standpoint first. So before you can be creative and making money online and doing TikToks and stuff, you need to know how some of these platforms work. So from $25, you're going to learn these things, some OG strategies, and then at the daily, and these are the only two programs. There's some other things, but these are the only two things that we're worrying about. This is a great one to know the basics, because before you can get advanced in email marketing, which is going to be how you got here, or you're going to see that you filled your name and email out and you're going to get updated. That's email marketing. Power is in the list, meaning you might not get started today, but I can keep marketing my business to you. So when you're ready, you have access to that information. And that's what email lists, and you see, and you can go through we'll go through all of them. You see SEO, more advanced stuff, a little bit more advanced stuff. And then on top of that, I have hours and hours of training myself, my own. You're set when it comes to training and getting your business out here. But it's cool to have some products and services you can offer somebody, and they feel, like they got what they paid for. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to because I want to show you some income potential. You're going to see both levels. So how this compensation works is it's a 2-up compensation. So what's going to happen is first sale is going to go right to you. Second sale is going to get passed up to your sponsor. Third sale is going to go to you. Fourth sale is going to get passed up to your sponsor. Every sale after that goes straight to you. Why do we do a 2 pass-up system, or why would you want to be a part of a 2-up pass system? So what happens is it just helps you get to your goals quicker. So when these people are passed up, the sponsor gets the money. So when you start building a team and your team has to pass up 2 sales, now you can have a even greater week. You know, you can, maybe you got 7 sales. Now you got 7 people that come in and are passing up 2 sales. So it's just a way to build leverage. And that's it. It's not MLM. It's not deep. It's just a 2 pass-up system. Just a way to build some leverage to get rewarded for, you know, building a team. So let's look at the $25 level first. So, you know, we got pass-up. So for 2 sales, it's going to be $50. For 4 sales, you're going to end up making 100. 8 sales, 200. 16 sales, 400. You see, it takes a little bit more people, but remember, this is residual. So these people can cancel, but if all these people start staying, if they stay active because they believe in the vision, this is what you're going to be getting every month. Not bad, you know, for $25 a month. You know, after 1 sale, you're already even. But you see how many sales it kind of takes to get to that monthly residual that you really want to kind of get to. It's going to take you 128, you know, sales. You know, after you pass up the 2, it's going to take 128. But this is not including, you know, once you start building a team and they start passing people up. That's the power of passing them up. So that's kind of what this talks about, but I'm kind of just keeping it simple. So, you know, this is around the amount of people it's going to take, you know, to build 3,200 a month. But once you start building the team and they start passing up, you know, it's going to happen. But it takes a lot more. But look what happens when you come in at 125, so you get the $25 level and you get the $100 level. 2 sales. You see what I'm saying? $250. 4 sales, $750. 8 sales. You see how quicker? 8 sales. You know what I'm saying? 8 sales. We already getting there. 16, 32, and I want to say I'm doing this math right because I know you're going to get pass-ups as well during this. So, but I want to look at this number. This number is astronomical. I always tell people don't really look at, you know, once we get to, I want to say like around this area, you know, I kind of like, I stop it because everything doesn't happen like you want it to happen. We're not sure all these people are going to stay active. We're not sure how quick we're going to do this. So I always try to be compliant. So there's no guaranteed income with none of this. But I just want to show you the potential. It's common sense. It's, you know, 125 per sale if you come in at both levels. So you can times that by how much ever money you want to make. It's just cool to see it on paper. But you see where it breaks down a year. This is all what it comes down to a year. So in an ideal world, if you start getting into the thousands, you know, a sales, 1,000, you know, you start making that crazy monthly. If you can get, you know, 1,000 some subscriptions. And I'm not sure if this is including pass-ups or not. But like I said, it's 125 times the amount of money you want to make. So it's straight to the point. But I just want to show you guys some numbers so you can see the income potential. And remember the power of social media. So now we have something like TikTok. We have something like TikTok now. So you can reach people pretty quick. So what happens when it comes to, you know, signing people up? It's all about, it's a lot of things. Some people, they run when they see money. Sometimes it's leading with pain points, you know, targeting people who really need something to change their life and making them believe, but also making them believe because it's something that's powerful on the table and it's a powerful vision we're doing. So we're going to pretty much be moving this pretty good. Just because it's time. It's time that you finally start living the lifestyle you want. And this is one of my programs. I have so many streams of income on my YouTube. I'll probably link it on this page so you can see I have different opportunities. So this is just one stream of income. But if we can get you to, you know, $7,000 a month in a reasonable amount of time and do this for a lot of people, keep them plugged in, and then give them some more opportunities, some more higher ticket programs to just keep you with some multiple streams of income. That's what we're doing. So it's not a scam. The founder of this has been around for years in this online space. It's just a digital product company. There's a lot of them. Some get advanced, but some cost a lot. You know, I have a program where I invested a total of $3,500 for their digital products. It seems like a lot, but it's all about positioning yourself and getting that information you need. You know, for example, I know you see you checking this out on this website. I built this website. I'm doing these videos. I edit myself. It seems like it's easy, but a lot of people can't do it. TikTok. It seems like it's easy, but a lot of people can't do it. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to, you know, elevate your skills, your mindset. And if you lock in with me and lock in and really lock in, even if you know some people, you don't have to talk to family and friends, but if you know some people that's going to take it serious, you can build a business even quicker then. And like I said, I have so many hours of training. For those that I see really grinding, those are the ones I'm going to put a lot more time in. And I'm going to leave it at that, you know. But thank you for visiting this video. If you stayed to the end, that means you're really serious about this. I'm going to leave these numbers up on the board so you can see, you know, how powerful it is. You know, a lot of people aren't making $3,700 a month, so we can just start there. That's a reasonable amount of money. It's all about making people believe. So it's wherever income goal every single month you see on here, lock it in, write it down, and write down how hard are you willing to work to get this. This is a very simple program, and I love bringing this to the people because I want you to start out simple so you understand marketing, and then we can start getting more advanced. But thank you. Make sure you check out the website. I should link my YouTube. If you're on YouTube, make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, comment below what you took away from this video. This is an old company. It's not new. It's not brand new, but this is a great vehicle to get some people into this online internet marketing so you can get a taste of what's going on. So no matter what company you join, you know what to look for. You know, you can understand what makes sense, and I'm gonna keep you on game. So especially follow this YouTube channel. If you're from TikTok, welcome. I prefer you to be 18 or older. The older the better. You know, someone that's gonna take this serious and really lock in, guys. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.